6 Easy Fiverr Gig Ideas to Earn Money. Looking to make some extra cash in your spare time? These freelance gigs on Fiverr are quick to start, easy to do, and will put your skills to good and profitable use. 1. Freelance Web Research. As a freelancer, it's worth thinking of ways that you can help businesses save time by taking certain tasks off their hands. Web researching is one particular time-saving gig that can see you getting paid for your patience. Useful skills: great attention to detail, investigative and research skills, ability to collate information in concise reports. Examples of tasks. Web research typically involves tracking down email addresses, images or brand mentions online, or even just sussing out how the competition is doing. 2. Design ebook covers. Unable to spot and capitalize on trends is a very useful skill when it comes to making money as a freelancer. For instance, self-publishing has exploded in the last decade, with thousands of authors opting for ebook formats to make money from their writing. And, because of this, there's a huge demand for digital book cover designs right now. Useful skills: design skills, time management, strong image making abilities, visual analysis skills, up-to-date knowledge of visual trends in publishing. Examples of tasks. As a freelancer involved in designing ebook covers, you could be asked to make custom-made covers or templates, do technical troubleshooting, or offer critiques of draft covers. 3. Sell your social media skills. If you're a natural at building online followings and creating viral posts on social media, your skills could be incredibly useful to businesses. It could be the perfect way for you to make money on Fiverr. Flexing your digital skills can be good for you, too. Having proven experience managing marketing campaigns, search engine optimization, SEO, or customer engagement is highly relevant to plenty of career paths. Useful skills: understanding how to generate engagement on social media, ability to adapt content and tone for different social platforms, an ability to build a following on your own social media. To scale up productivity, invest in management platforms such as Hootsuite. Examples of tasks. As a freelance social media advisor, consider offering packages to boost businesses' followings or social strategies. You could provide ready-made tweets and Instagram content, or original posts tailored to the brand, for a higher fee. 4. Write on a freelance basis. Keen to make money from writing? Fiverr makes it easy to do just that. Think about what your strongest skills are, and offer writing services based on these. For example, if you're a blogger, you could earn money by writing blog posts for others. Or, if you're fluent in another language, you could translate text on a freelance basis. If you have a particular area of expertise, mentioning this in your Fiverr gig description can help you stand out from the crowd. Useful skills: ability to adapt your writing style depending on the brief, strong grasp of spelling, punctuation and grammar, attention to detail. Examples of tasks. You could offer to write blog posts, articles, online copy for websites, social media posts, translated texts and more. For additional ideas, see our full guide to getting paid to write. 5. User testing. If getting insider access to future trends appeals to you, user testing is worth a try. This example might not carry quite as much weight as an example of work experience on your CV. But, it can help you stay motivated as a freelancer if you choose gigs that are fun, interesting or quirky alongside other, more career-focused ones. Plus, by testing products, you can often get paid to try things that you'd otherwise be willing to buy. Ideal. Useful skills: confidence sharing your opinions, Willingness to try new products you wouldn't usually buy. Written communication skills to present your views in clear and concise writing.